Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. The COVID pandemic second wave is well and truly on us. Not only in Goa, also all over the country. The government is slowly losing control over the situation. The healthcare is getting overburdened. And today the Supreme Court itself has got involved in this issue, asking the government to try and sort out issues of oxygen, medicines, etc. Now here we have a representative, a cross representative of industry as well as the political class in the state. So this is a general discussion about how they see the situation in the state and what the future holds for Goa. Welcome Manoj, welcome Nilesh, and welcome Amarnath to our show. Manoj Bab, I would like to start with you, since you represent the Goa Chamber of Commerce, which is an umbrella body of business in the state. So how would you like to kick this off?
Thank you, Glenn, for inviting me. First and foremost, I have to say that we all have to understand the reality that this situation currently is scary from the point of view of social angle as well as from the point of view of economic angle. As far as social angle is concerned, I don't need to say much because everybody is talking about it. Number of cases are increasing, healthcare system is crumbling, doctors are stressed, health workers are overstressed. So all of us know about it. On the economic front, I have to tell you that situation is very, very grave. Government has come out with certain curbs, but what is important is that we all should not be waiting for government to come out with any curbs or any restrictions. We all have to be more disciplined now in order to save the lives of our near and dear ones. In the bargain, what has happened is that people are only shouting about casinos, tourists, all these things, put lockdown, put this. My simple and humble request to them is, why are you expecting government to do everything? You stay home, tumi gora rawat nahi. That is half the job done. If you don't come out unnecessarily loitering around in the roads, you don't come out in temples and churches to celebrate feasts and zatras, if you don't come out to attend these mass weddings, then we will be much, much safer in Goa. So why are we blaming the government? We ourselves are to blame. Now government will be enforced to put more curbs. As of now, restrictions on industry are not there, which is a very, very good sign. But despite that, you can see the market has totally gone into a lull. The retail market is suffering. People are not coming out, obviously because they are scared for their health, because of which the retail market is suffering. Manufacturing sector, although the industries are running, but the demand has gone down. So they are suffering over there. So I think that we have come a vicious circle in which even though there is no lockdown, there might be unfortunately job losses, there might be losses in business, and it is going to hurt the economy very, very badly. Until we learn ourselves and correct ourselves and don't blame the government for each and everything that is happening around us.
Yeah, thanks Manoj. Nilesh, now Manoj Bab has spoken about the general situation. Now before I move to Amarnath, I would like your perspective on the tourism industry. Because that is the major industry in the state, how it's affected, how it's going to survive.
I think I think I could not hear what Manoj said. I was disconnected. But way I look at it, I think we are getting back to square one, where we started somewhere in August, wherein gradually we are talking about opening up of the tourism sector. So plus point was that Goa after opening, it was just all sectors as per MHA guidelines, there was no looking back. So gradually it was helping up the industry to survive. I'm not saying that anybody of us were making money or something, but somehow we were able to survive and get back to what we call little bit of normalcy now, which is gone for toss now. Now, if you see I was just checking with the different hotels and airlines. There is a huge cancellation which is coming because of the second wave or third wave, whatever we can call it. And the occupancy in the hotel, it is not more than 5 to 10% right now. Many of the hotels, maximum of the hotels. Many of the hotels where they had got the training from the IHM or from different colleges because of the business, they have been told to not to come for training in the organizations in the industry. Similarly, people who are working also have been told that they will let them know when to come back. There is only the little bit of silver lining is there were few film shootings which were going on in Goa, wherein few hotels have some business. But way I understand, even the way things are moving, I think they will also may wind up. So looking into that scenario, so the April, May would have been the good years. Good month for the industry. I think it is going to be quite bad, and I don't know how we are going to survive this wave. We have not got any relief. Even the municipality last mayor had made the announcement that he will give the waiver of the municipal taxes for renewal, which has not come by. And again, we are everybody has paid their renewal licenses, maybe excise or XYZ, all the taxes which are possible. And it is literally a tough time for the industry. And main thing challenge is the people working in the industry, because where they will go, because the hotel industry, it is like you have a continuous cash flow to pay your salaries or your overheads, maybe electricity, water, and the overheads. Now with no income coming in, it will be back to either no pay or cut in pay, and especially at all levels. It's not only at a higher level, but at down level. If there is no business, somehow the industry have managed to sustain themselves for last 1 year. But now, how long they can? It is a big question mark, and there is no easy answer to this present lockdown, because I think it will take a lot of efforts from all of us, and lot of what government can help to sustain ourselves. So, and if you see airline industry also, their flights have been cancelling because there is no load factors. So the latest statistics was there was almost around 50% flights are cancelled for India, not only to Goa. So looking into that scenario, I think it is right now very scary. Only silver lining may be the vaccination. I hope that drive goes meticulously as per plan. And people, there is a lot of reluctance from the people to get themselves vaccinated, which should overcome. And at least the people under 45 and above who are eligible, they should get vaccinated in next 8 days left before it is open up for general. And there is no clarity as such how it will pan out from the 1st May. But I think that is only plus which we look into right now. Rest, I think it is there is no answer. Anybody has the answer that how it will pan out for all of us.
Yeah, what I agree with you. Partly we'll get into whether there was a little bit of complacency here. But Amarnath, from I want first the general status as you see it, because you all are the political class. See, whichever party comes to government, ultimately it's the politicians that rule. First, I want to know what is the general status, and then I want to start with you, whether there was complacency on the side of the government when things went down and they didn't prepare for this, because everybody was saying it's going to happen. Even industry was saying it's going to happen. So, Amarnath Babu.
कोविड हे फाटल्या वर्सा मार्चांसून चालू जाले, आणि ज्या तरेन आमच्या सरकारान हे कोविडाचे सिरियसनेस घेऊन प्रिपेअर करूंक जाय आसले, एक तयारी आसपाक जाय आसली हे फेस करपाक. कित्याक एक सगळ्यांक खबर आसले की कोविड हे आनिकूय वायट जावपाचे आसा, आणि ते आयज जावंक लागला. पण सरकारान एकंदरीत हेचेर जे सिरियसनेस दाखोवंक जाय आसले ते दाखयले ना. आणि आयज जर आमी पळयले जाल्यार मरणाचो आंकडो आयज वाडत आसा. 26, 17, 17, 20, 14 असे आकडे आयज भायर पडपाक लागले आणि आमकां दिसता की सरकाराच्या निश्काळजीपणान हो आंकडो आयज वाडलेलो आसा. आता आयज जे सरकारान कर्फ्यू, नायट कर्फ्यू लायला ते लोकांच्या दोळ्यांक उदक लावपाक ही एक धुळफेक जावन आसा. हे कर्फ्यू म्हणजे मिनिंगलेस आसा. नायट कर्फ्यू 10 ते सकाळचे 6 म्हणजे अशें म्हणपाक जाय सरकाराक की कोविड हो रातचोच भोंवता आनी दिसाचो तो ना जाता असो प्रकार आसा. सरकार जर हेचेर सिरियस आसा जाल्यार जे रिस्ट्रिक्शन रातचे लायतात ते रिस्ट्रिक्शन दिसाचे आसपाक जाय. ज्या लोकांचेर तुम्ही रिस्ट्रिक्शन घालतात, ज्या संस्थांचेर तुम्ही रिस्ट्रिक्शन घालतात ते आम्ही पळयले जाल्यार रिस्ट्रिक्शन रातच्या वेळार तुम्ही घालतात. जे पब आसात, जे नायट क्लब आसा, जे कॅसिनो आसा ते म्हणटा तुम्ही चालूच उरतले पण एट 50%. अरे 50%, व्हॉट इज दीस 50%? तुम्ही केन्ना लोकांक सांगला 100% कितें ते? कॅसिनोन 100% कितले लोक येता हे तुम्ही केन्ना सांगला? मागीर 50% म्हणून तुम्ही लोकांच्या दोळ्यांक उदक लावपाचे काम हो सरकार करता. जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री काल भावूक जावन लोकांक संबोधीत करता की आपूण दुखी, आपणाक दुःख जाता. हय, आमी जाणा तूं गोंयचो मुखेलमंत्री, तुका दुःख जाता, सगळ्यांक दुःख जाता. जर तुका दुःख जाता, तुका जर चिंता असली जाल्यार तूं फाटल्या दिसांनी म्युनिसिपाल्टीच्या इलेक्शनाच्या प्रचाराक तूं कित्याक भोंवतालो? तूं गुन्यांवकार जावन आसा. जेन्ना देशभर हे कोरोनाच्यो केसी वाडटाल्यो, जेन्ना गोंयानूय केसी वाडटाल्यो तेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री, तुमचे मंत्री हे सगळे म्युनिसिपाल्टीच्यो मिटिंग्यो घेवन भोंवताले. तुम्ही मिटिंग्यो घेवंक लायल्या, तुम्ही लोकांक गर्दी करूंक लायल्या, तुम्ही कोविडाच्या नांवान टिका उत्सव म्हणून प्रकार केलो आणि टिका उत्सवाच्या नांवाचेर तुम्ही तुमच्या पार्टीचो प्रचार केलो. आम्ही सगळे मनीस तो खंयच्याय पार्टीचो जावं, जेन्ना खंयच्याय पार्टीचे सरकार गोंयान येता तेन्ना तेणी विसरूंक जाय की हे बीजेपीचे सरकार जावं काँग्रेसचे सरकार हे चिंतपाक जाय की हे सरकार जे आसा ते लोकांचे आसा आनी लोकां खातीर आसा. पण भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे हे सरकार कितें करता तर हे टिका उत्सव करता आनी आपणाचो बॅनर, आपणाचे लिडरांची नांवां, आपणाचे फ्लॅग आणि आपणाच्याच आमदारांक घेऊन हे कॅम्प, ही शिबिरां ते आयोजित करता. सो हेचेर जर नियंत्रण आमी दवरले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक शुद्ध निष्कलंक आणि अशे शुद्ध मनांतल्यान आमकां दिसतले की खऱ्या अर्थान हेंकां लोकांची चिंता आसा. आयज जर आमी एकंदर परिस्थिती पयली गोंयची जाल्यार आयजूय ऑक्सिजनाची कमतरता आसा. आय एम स्पीकिंग विथ फॅक्ट्स. हांव अशीच फार मारिना. हांव सारकें सांगता की अजुनूय पेशंटांक टायमार ऑक्सिजन मेळना. ह्या सरकारान अजूनही लोकांक फटोवपाचेच काम धरला की आमच्याकडे सगळे ठाकठीक आसा, आमच्याकडे सगळे मेडिसिन आसा, आमच्याकडे ऑक्सिजन आसा, तुमच्याकडे सगळे आसा म्हणून लोकांक बेफिकीर दवरता. आमकां जाय की ह्या सरकारान खरें कितें तें उलोवचें, खरें उलयात. तुम्ही आमच्या भुरग्यांक एसएससी आनी 12वीचे भुरगे जे प्रोटेस्ट करूंक येयल्ले, कोविड आहा ते फुडें दुखला म्हणून प्रोटेस्ट केलो, मडगांव प्रोटेस्ट केलो, पणजे प्रोटेस्ट केलो, म्हापसा प्रोटेस्ट केलो, तेंच्यांनी आझाद मैदानाकडे प्रोटेस्ट केलो, सीएमाच्या रेजिडेन्सार. तुम्ही त्या भुरग्यांक अरेस्ट केले. खरें तुम्ही त्या भुरग्यांक प्रोटेस्ट करता जावं ते मागणी करता म्हणून तुम्ही तांकां अरेस्ट केले. पणजेच्यान तुम्ही तांकां व्हरून पेंड्या घातले आणि आयज तुम्ही सरकारान निर्णय घेतलो की आम्ही एग्जाम पोस्टपोन करता. जेन्ना ते भुरगे तुमचे कडेन मागताले, जेन्ना तुमचे भुरगे तुमचे रिक्वेस्ट करताले तेन्ना सीएमाक कितें जाल्लें सांगपाक की भुरग्यांनो तुम्ही प्रोटेस्ट करू नाका, आमी कितें तरी फैसलो करता. पण तुम्ही अशें करनासतना त्या भुरग्यांक, आमच्या माणकुल्या सान भुरगेल्यांक तुम्ही अरेस्ट केले, बशीन घातले आणि चोरा भशेन व्हरून तुम्ही तांकां पेंड्या घातले. सो तुम्ही आमच्या एकंदर लोकांक तुम्ही अशें ग्रांटेड घेतलेले आसा. सरकारान अजूनही वेळ वचोंक ना, अजूनही सिरियस जावपाक जाय. एव्हरी सिटीजन हॅज रायट ऑफ टू लायफ. जीवन जगण्याचो अधिकार हो सगळ्यांक आसा आणि हो अधिकार दिवपाचें काम सरकारचें. लोक मस्ती करतले, लोक कितें तरी गैर करतले, लोक गुन्यांव करतले, खबर आसा. आणि तेकाच खातीर सरकारी यंत्रणा ही चालीक लायली आसा. सरकाराचे काम कायदो करप, सरकाराचे काम कायद्याचे पालन करप, सरकाराचे काम लोकांचेर नियंत्रण दवरप. हे सगळे नियंत्रण दवरपाची गरज आसा. जे गुन्यांवकार आसा तांकां ख्यास दिवंक जाय, आणि जे कितें बरें करपाक जाय, ज्या करण्यांतल्यान सरकाराच्या करण्यांतल्यान लोकांचो प्राण वाचतलो, लोकांचे जाल्ले हे दुयेंस पयस जातले, ही सगळी खबरदारी सरकारान घेवची आणि सरकाराक ती घेवचीच पडटली.
Yeah, thanks, Amarnath.
Amarnath, you are absolutely right when you talk about it from political class and from the social perspective of Goans. म्हणून आमी सगळ्यांनी एक लक्षात धरपाक जाय की सगळेच आमी सरकाराच्या माथ्यार फोडून उपकारना. We are an educated society. In Goa, our literacy rate is very high. So we also have to act responsibly. One. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे you said that we are talking from the point of view of business. Yes, we are talking from the point of view of business, but please understand, जर business चलतले जाल्यार लोकांच्यो नोकऱ्यो उरतल्यो. Otherwise, how will people get their jobs? Will people not lose their jobs? नोकऱ्यो वच्च्यो ना. सो नोकऱ्यो जर लोकांच्यो उरपाक जाय, लोकांची पोटां जर चलपाक जाय, लोकांची घरां जर चलपाक जाय, शिक्षणाक जर पयशे लोकांनी मोडूंक जाय, जाल्यार तांच्यो नोकऱ्यो उरपाची गरज आसा आनी नोकऱ्यो उरपा खातीर धंदो चालू आसपाची गरज आसा. आतां तूं म्हणटा त्या प्रमाणे रेस्टॉरंटां बंद कर, पब्स बंद कर, ऑल दीस थिंग्स बंद कर. सो
I never said stop. No, I never said.
stop it.
I never said. You are wrong. I never said. बंद
So
कर.
you are agreeing to the fact that ही सगळी चालू असू नी.
Yeah, wait,
No,
wait.
चालू असू दे.
Let Manoj finish. 1 second. You are not on screen, Amarnath.
Amarnath is not on screen. Okay.
Yeah.
What I feel is that the
Let him
business
finish,
has
you
to
reply.
go on. Business
You
has
reply.
to go on because people have to get their salaries. It is not only the people who own the business, it is also the people who are salaried in all these businesses that they have to get their salary. Number one. But we are talking about casino. See, I am not holding any fort for casino, nor am I holding fort for the government. But if you see casino, who is going to casino? Goans are not allowed. It is only the tourists who are coming, and people who are getting affected are us Goans. And we are not getting, we are not going to casinos to get infected. We are getting infected because we are moving around like irresponsible people in all these weddings and churches and feasts and zatra and temples and all these things. ते आम्ही बंद करपाक जाय. I will tell you, if you come to Panjim in the evening, तुमकां realize जातलें. I go for a walk from Miramar to all along the Mandovi River, right up to ferryboat. There are so many people. तर सांचे येवन बेश्टेच चाकाटे मारूंक बसतात. मास्क ना, काय ना. Why is this necessary? Is this necessary to do that? You have come out to do your job. तू नोकरेक वता, काम कर, मुक्काटांनी घरा वच. अंडरस्टँड समथिंग that there are people in the house, तुमच्या घराकडे जाणटी असतली, भुरगीं असतली. You are loitering around over here. In the children park, people are moving around. This is not required, न्ही. Do only the essential things. कामाक वचात, काम करात with that whatever restrictions, 50% social distancing सगळें करात आनी घरा वचात. एवढ्यान तेवढ्यान पासयेक वचूं नाकात. देव खंयच वचना. देव देवळांनी आसा, देव रावतलो. So all Jesu astolo, Mary astili, all our God will be there in the churches and the temples for next year also. Let us go and pray next year for the Zatra or for the feast. That is what is my thing is that all these things you can't blame the government. See, please don't get me wrong, Amarnath, I'm not holding fort for the government here. I am saying that, because of this thing, ashe dista ki that the whole thing is coming on to any business community की business जाता म्हणून लोक येता, दुकानां उक्ती आसा म्हणून लोक येता म्हणून लोक भोंवता. नो, जर सगळेंच जर बंद करत गव्हर्मेंटान आनी तुवें म्हणलें की न्ही रातचो बंद करून रातचो कोवीड भोंवता ना. दिसाचे जर सेम रिस्ट्रिक्शन जर दिसाचे घालें आनी दिसाची जर दुकानां बंद करपाक लायलीं जाल्यार कशी चलतली आनी पीपल विल लूज देयर जॉब्स न्ही. So that is why in order to keep our economy running or आमची घरा कडली रांदचेकूड जर चलपाक जाय जाल्यार we should not lose our jobs. That is why we have to act responsibly. That is what we are trying to say. Thanks, Glenn.
Yeah, Amarnath.
Can I reply?
Yeah. Amarnath, please.
Yeah. Yes. मनोज आपणाचे बरे विचार मांडले, पण थोडे जे हांव उलोवंक ना ते तो उलयता आनी हांवें उलयला अशें दाखोवन दिता. पण
Please.
Probably I might have misheard.
Go ahead.
सरकारचे जे धोरण आसा तेचेर उलयला की एके वाटेन तुमी कोरोना जर बंद करपाक सोदता जाल्यार रातचेच रिस्ट्रिक्शन घालून ते जावचे ना न्हू. रिस्ट्रिक्शन हे सारखे आसूंक जाय, दिसाचे आसूंक जाय. आनी ते 50% म्हणून लोकांक फटयता. म्हणून तूं उलयता पळय ते यू स्पीक ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ बिजनसमॅन और बिजनस चलपाक जाय, नोकऱ्यो उरपाक जाय. हांव जे उलयतां ते म्हाका पयले लायफ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट आणि लायफ वाटोवपाचें काम हे सरकारचे. सरकारान जतनाय घेवपाक जाय. सरकार लोकांक फटोवपाक हे सगळे रिस्ट्रिक्शन लायता अशें म्हाका दिसता. जर सरकार खऱ्यांनीच गंभीर आसलो जाल्यार स्वता मुख्यमंत्री मिटिंग्यो घेवपाक तो गांवांनी वाड्या वाड्यार म्युन्सिपाल्टीचेर भोंवचो नासलो. हे तुका मान्य करचें पडटलें. लोकांनी जबाबदारेन वागूंक जाय हे म्हाकाय कळटा आणि आयजूय हांव मानता की लोकांनी सगळ्या लोकांनी जबाबदारीन वागूंक जाय. त्याच बरोबर सरकारान आणि आमचो गोंयचो जो मुखेलमंत्री आसा त्या मुखेलमंत्र्यानूय जबाबदारीन वागोवंक जाय. आमच्या मंत्र्यांनी जबाबदारीन वागोवंक जाय. आता देवा बद्दल मनोज बाब उलयलो. देव देवळान आसतलो तो फुडल्या वर्सा मेळटलो. हांव अशें मानता की देव हो आमच्या मनान आसा. देव देवळान आसना, देव आमच्या मनान आसता. देवळान आसता ती आमची श्रद्धा. हांव अशें हांवें म्हणूंक ना की देवळां तुमी चालू दवरा, सगळ्यो जात्रा करा, नाट. हांव अशें म्हणिना. हांव म्हणटा सरकारान जी जतनाय पयलीं घेवपाक जाय आसली ती घेतली ना. आनी काल जस्ट फॉर्मेलिटी म्हणून तेंच्यांनी ते नायट कर्फ्यू म्हणून कितें थोडे रिस्ट्रिक्शन लायला आनी तेचेरूय कितें तरी थोड्यांचेर क्लॅरिटी अजुनूय ना की कोणी कितें करप कोणी कितें करप ना हे अजुनूय क्लॅरिटी ना. तुम्ही जेन्ना कॅसिनो 50% म्हणटा तेन्ना तुमचो हिडन एजंडा खंय तरी लोकांक दुबाव मारता. हो पयस जावपाक जाय. तुमचो हिडन एजंडा कितें आसा तो कोणाक कळना. हांव जाणा की आमचे खुबशे तरणाटे सरकारी नोकऱ्यो नासतना ते हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री जावं प्रायव्हेट इंडस्ट्रीन काम करता. तांकां नोकरी चालू उरपाक जाय, तेंचे जॉब उरपाक जाय. आनी ही मागणी आमी पयली केल्या. जेंकां अफेक्ट जाला हॉटेल जावं प्रायव्हेट नोकरी करपाक, हे बारीक जे पायलट आसूं, रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर आसूं, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर आसूं, तांकां बारीक बारीक गाड्याकार आसूं, तांकां सगळ्यांक गव्हर्मेंटान फायनान्शियल असिस्टंट दिवचे ही मागणी काँग्रेस पार्टीन ह्याच्या पयलीं केल्या, आयजूय करता की सगळ्यांचे आर्थीक जे काम आसा, आर्थीक परिस्थिती बरी जावपाक, जे फायनान्शियल परिस्थिती बरी जावपाक, जे बिझनस जावपाक जाय, जी येणावळ येवपाक जाय, जी आर्थीक जे बाजार जो चलपाक जाय तो चलपाकूच जाय. रिस्ट्रिक्शन जर येतले जाल्यार ते रिस्ट्रिक्शन आमी आमचेर घालूकूच जाय. पूण तशें मनोज बाब जायना. जेन्ना सरकार, पोलीस, आमची न्याय व्यवस्था ही सगळी मेळून काम करता, आमचे ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जेन्ना काम करता, खंय तरी भंय लोकांक आसपाक जाय. तेन्ना लोकूय भियेता आनी लोकूय खंय तरी फाटीं रावता. जर सरकारूच अशें धिसाळ रावले, निश्काळजीपणान काम करपाक लागले, तेन्ना लोकांकूय दिसता म्हणजे कोरोना म्हणजे काय ना, काय जावचें ना, आमचे कडेन सगळें आसा, आमचे कडेन दोतोर आसा, आमचे कडेन ऑक्सिजन आसा.
I agree. I think I totally agree with Amarnath on this, because what happens is that people look for what do you say, some inspiration from the leaders, and this, what I'm saying, complacency was there. Nilesh Bab, don't you think complacency was there after the first thing? That's why we managed to reach these heights. You don't think?
See, basically, this is not a time for a blame game. See, everybody has to accept responsibility. Let's be very, very clear. See, today people are dying. People who have gone through that hell can only understand what it is, So, rather than putting a blame on each other, each one of us has to have self-responsibility. Government will do or will keep doing, the administration will keep doing whatever they can do it and within their preview. But problem here is the people have not taken the risk, because one thing people have not understood from the past. If you see what had happened when the Spanish flu happened in 1919. Now those trends which were happening will definitely was supposed to happen now. So of course we required to have a more plan on that. But then certain things with the size of, see, we are not trying to defend the government here, but the type of population we have, it is responsibility of each one of us to remain safe and come out with a solution wherein less and less people are infected and do their part. Now right now itself, you see, even after when vaccination opened, how many of people went willingly to get them vaccinated? The government had to require to push them, and because of the second wave, now you see the queues at the vaccination center.
Correct.
So that's one part. Secondly, if you go wherever, like, people are not understanding the seriousness of the situation. Now, after second wave, with the type of things happening, it is getting affected. It is being noticed,
Okay.
and people are trying to be more careful. But I think it is for each one of us to work hand in hand. It may be government, it may be opposition, it may be industry, it may be a different segment of tourism industry, because everybody will have to come together and work in the one direction to overcome this menace. And I feel it is like there are different theories that will be picked by 15th May, or we have already picked whatever.
Not
So
peaked.
let's
Not in the least, not peaked. You're being very optimistic, Nilesh.
Provision help whichever we can. Like if you see in social media, there are a few chefs, hotels, they have come forward. If anybody wants to meet, we'll give you a free meal. Or whichever way, like in whenever the COVID time and there was total lockdown, all industry people came on the to help in whichever way, small way they could. So similarly here, whichever way each one of us can help and do a bit, I think that is the only solution here. And let's channelize our all energy in not to come out if you are not required to come out, and somehow we have to pray for it that this way pass off and do our responsibility which is required. Follow the COVID protocol strictly, because that is only way out wherein we will be safe and we will able to have control on this situation. Now I'd like to come on one point. Every time they are talking, why we are looking for certificate when kids are entering. On that one point, I would like to say that Maharashtra has that thing for last three or 4 months continuously. They are insisting on COVID negative certificate before they enter the state. But you have to say the Maharashtra is the worst state affected. So basically, it is up to the people how we are going to behave, and let's be very, very clear that this COVID is here to stay. This we have been repeating for the last 6-7 months.
Yeah.
It is going to be there for another 1 year. Let's be very, very clear. Even after vaccinating, actually going out, it will take time. So we may be increasing our time from 6 months to 8 months to 1 year. So again, we are talking 1 year. So another 2 years total. But then that is only the way the things is going to pan out. So let's get ourselves prepared for that mentally and see that the effect, whenever third wave, so-called, if at all it comes, we are well prepared. And this present wave, somehow let's unitedly fight this situation and come out with this this very scary situation which we are right now into, not only in Goa but throughout India.